I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts till they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Have you invested before, Rashid? Have you?
I have not invested in Dubai, but I have a number of investments here at the moment.
Wow, wow. How is it going so far?
Not so good because obviously investment or the property is not the only income that I have.
Mm-hmm.
So the challenge I have is in addition to my job, obviously, I pay about 55% tax on the regular
Whoa.
income. Okay.
That's massive.
So do me a favor, okay?
Mhm.
Let's get the change. Would you mind just sending me a WhatsApp message on this number, the details that you mentioned to me?
I could, I can sure do. But what I like, I can send numbers on WhatsApp. That's not a problem. But Arshad, if I'm being honest with you, it's going to be confusing for you if I'm just sending a bunch of PDFs or text messages on.
Yeah.
Right? Is it possible for us to maybe schedule a meeting?
Wednesday. How about Wednesday?
I believe I will just prepare things for you from our end, and let's schedule something, and I'll send you an email.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds good.
Perfect.
Put 'em up, y'all. Carlos Santana with the Refugee Gang.
Hello people, hi, how are you? So here we are at the beach, just like how I planned, and today I didn't feel like going to work. I don't feel like going to work today. When I say I didn't feel like going to work, I mean to the office, because not because it's Saturday, but for a change I wanted to come out here. I wanted to have some time alone and wanted to get my work done just like how I planned. So that day goes just like how it is planned, right? But I'll be doing it from the beach. And I also want to give a short introduction because there are people who just came to the video and maybe wondering who's this guy. So want to give a little introduction about what I do and who am I, right? We'll get to it. Alright people, so hope you guys can hear me well, right? So just like how I told you before, I wanted to give a little introduction about who am I and what I exactly do here in Dubai. It's nice to start with introduction because there are people who doesn't even know who I am and what I exactly do. And to start off with, the name is Huzaif Haq, and what I exactly do here in Dubai is I manage my investors' funds. I manage investors' assets, and I help them park their funds here in Dubai, real estate, and I'm in real estate business. I connect investors directly with the developers, major developers here in Dubai. And how do when I say developers, they are the one who raises buildings, right? Raises buildings, and there's a lot to go deep with, but let's just let me keep it short. So I help investors with insights. I represent them in the markets, helping them with buying, selling, whatever it is, but especially with let's not go deep. You'll be seeing in upcoming videos. So right, the reason behind the vlog, the reason behind why am I documenting is there are a few reasons. Number one is going to be helping me with the future. I know what I'm exactly doing, and when I thought about it, my life looks like a movie. I'm not gonna lie, because it looks like literally movie. I wanted you guys to experience it, I thought it would be great to document. Not now, even 6 months back I wanted to record things, but I didn't have the resources, or even I couldn't just get to it, but now I'm trying something, getting started with something. So the whole idea for another reason was people reaching out to me, texting me, how do I get started just like you? How do I get into real estate? How do I do this, that? Even people in my age, that. So I wanted to provide resources, I wanted to provide value, maximum value. I wanted to try my best to provide value. Fill the video with values, and at the same time, not boring, want to make the documentary clean as possible, valuable as possible, knowledgeable as possible, and entertaining at the same time, right? And third reason, my age. It's not something to give excuse about, but my age. I'm working with people twice my age. I'm working with clients thrice my age even, right? So it's not about bragging, but about how do I say it? What's a good word? not letting nobody take advantage of your age. Correct. Letting nobody take advantage of your age. When I say that, let nobody say that you're young. Let nobody say that you still got time. Go for this and that. Because when I see people around me, they're enjoying this and that. And I love what I'm doing, right? And why am I saying this is when you're working in such industry, because real estate industry is a huge industry here in Dubai. It's not just Dubai, it's the backbone of UAE, whatever happening around here. And you are doing something in this age, you know, you need to be sharp. You need to be sharp as possible. You need to be smart. You need to learn every day, literally every day, because market changes every day. And most of it's just like trading, guys. Like you know how market changes. You know how you need to have a lot of knowledge, right? But imagine someone making decision based on what you're saying, which is really amazing. Which is like they're gonna be having homes because you suggested them to have homes, because they're going to be putting their money in an investment because you suggested them to. So you need to be sharp as possible, and you need to present yourself in a way that nobody takes advantage of your age. Nobody, right? Let nobody do it. And this is the whole reason. So I believe there is a lot of things going to be coming, a lot of legendary things going to be coming, and you'll be seeing it from my eyes to your eyes. I mean, from you'll be seeing whatever I'm saying, you'll be hearing whatever I'm hearing, right? And Dubai is crazy. Trust me, Dubai is crazy, and I want to make things out of it. I want to provide things to it. At the same time, want to take things out of it, and you'll see why am I saying it, And this is gonna be crazy, guys. Trust me, it's gonna be amazing. Right? Travel with me, come with me, and stay beside me. You'll be seeing a lot of amazing things. Right? So guys, just like how we mentioned, here we are at the Emaar Sales Center. What do we have today? We got an open house which we're collaborating directly with Emaar, who is one of the major developer here in Dubai. So this open house, main reason for the open house was purely bringing clients and explaining them what's going to be happening in the future and how Dubai is moving towards, right? So here we got our admins, as you can see there. For welcoming our people, and here we got the chocolates. As you can see here, chocolates, IDs, and a lot of crazy things happening. This is because one of the exclusive events we are inviting clients that we know, and also investors who are looking forward to learn. Not just selling them something, but looking forward to learn. So yeah, let's get things started.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
On already?
Yeah.
Hi guys, how are you? How's everything? So welcome to the open house collaboration directly with Emaar. So what do we got here? Let's have a look. Right guys, so here we got all the food. We got everything. So he's having everything that we don't got anything for our clients. Come on Jalal.
For him, not for me.
That's one sort of lie you can say.
He's gonna sell 100 million.
Right, okay. If he's gonna
He has.
Can I just get the thing that
No, thank
please?
you. Please stay away from him, gentlemen, please. The big boss wants to eat.
Who's the big boss? No, don't take that. I told you I want it. I hate you so much. As you can see here, the time is 8:58 Sunday, November, and still we are at Sales Center. Open house is happening. I wanted to show something cool here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear read it. Be legendary. Yes, that's it. That's all I got to say. Crazy. The journey's been great. It's been amazing, I'm just wanted to say, as it's November already, I'm not sure when I'm posting this video anyways. What I wanted to say was, when I look back, what happened, how I was the last November and this November, it's totally changed. The things that I'm doing. And before I used to work in marketing. I was running an agency trying to do things, but now I'm in real estate business at this stage, and chasing different dreams and chasing different goals and trying to accomplish a lot different things. Guys, never limit yourself to what you have around you, what you are surrounded by, or the resources that you got. Because you will never know what will happen when you will get access to things. It's all God's plan. Literally, it's all God's plan. I'll tell you why. Because at the time, all I had was creativity. All I had was running to clients and shooting videos, this and that. But now, I never knew I'll get into real estate. I never thought I will get in, because I knew I was good at talking. I knew I was good at networking. I knew I was good at reaching out to people, meeting new people. I was happy with it. But what I want to say is, at this age, whoever is watching, never limit yourself to this certain thing. Okay, I got access to this was if I got access to these are the resources only you have. So don't limit yourself about dreaming. Yeah, that could be a good word. Don't limit yourself about dreaming so hard. But at the end of the day, when I think about it, I'm a totally different person, having different goals and chasing different things, different level. So I'm happy and I'm grateful for it, and things are so beautiful.